Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Maggie Hardy. How are y'all doing today? I hope y'all are doing well. So today I'm just going to be doing a tutorial showing you how I got this look right here. It's just a quick and easy spring tutorial. It is going to be a full face tutorial, so if that's something that y'all want to see, then y'all just keep on watching. I am so happy that spring is here. This week is going to be amazing over here in southern Oklahoma, and I absolutely am just so ecstatic and ready for it. So you guys, without further ado, everything in this tutorial is drugstore, and that I am proud of because y'all know I am trying to kind of make a transition into drugstore product. Let's just jump into this video. Okay, so today we're going to go in with the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. Today we're just going to do a simple spring look, just add a little bit of color. So I've already put my base on, so I'm going to go into the color Ice Pop, which is this pink shade. I'm going to pack this on my brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and pack this into my crease. And I'm also doing stamping motions just so I can get that pigmentation and the creasing to go away. And I'm going to actually put this all on my lid. Okay, now I'm going to go into the shade Berry Ice, which is this shade right here. And I'm just going to take it on a fluffy brush, and I am just going to blend this pink out. And going back in with my other brush, I'm going to use the product that's left on that brush and blend this upward a little bit more, just so we can get the blending going on. Okay, once I have everything blended out, I'm going to go over to the other side of my eye. Okay, so now that I have that color, I'm going to go into Strawberry Lemonade. And with this, I'm going to put it right into the center of my eye and a little bit in. And just to make the middle part pop just a little bit, we're going to go into Main Squeeze right on the center. I'm then going to go back in with that fluffy brush that we used, blend the outer edges of this, just so we still have some of that mattifying around the outer edge of our eye. Now that I have that done, I'm just going to go in here and I'm going to wipe off the excess, the fallout that we had. So to prime my face today, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer to prime my face. For foundation today, we're going to go in with Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth. I'm going to take a foundation brush and I'm going to just apply this to my face because there is no pump with it. Then go in with my beauty blender and blend this out. So for concealer today, we're going to go in with the Maybelline Master Conceal. I really like this concealer. I really want to try the L'Oreal Pro Glow Concealer, I think it is. I've heard some really good things about it, but I know for a drugstore concealer, this is a very good concealer. I really enjoy this. But you do have to set it because it will crease on you, especially if you have the dips and the creases on your under eyes. And it really does not take a lot. So I'm just going to dot this where I need it. And I'm going to take it down just for a bit of a highlight. So what I've been doing recently is I've been taking this brush. This is a Morphe M173. It's a very dense brush. I like to use this before I go in with my beauty blender because it kind of helps push the product into my skin and helps blend it out. And then when I go in with the beauty blender, it's not as thick and cakey. So I'll go in and push this in with the brush, and then I will go in with my beauty blender and I will pat this out and blend it out even more. And what this does, it will take off the excess concealer that you have, so it's not so cakey, and it just helps it blend so much better from what I have experienced. I know it's hard on camera to see, but just the way that it looks under my under eyes right now, it looks totally amazing, and I really enjoy that. So I'm just gonna go in here and bake just a little bit, just enough to set it so it doesn't crease on me, and then I'll just take what's left extra and just hard bounce it into my skin. Okay, so now for bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the City Bronzer from Maybelline. And we're gonna go in here and warm our face up. Spring is here. I am super excited because it is supposed to be like in the low 80s, mid 80s this week. And I am just so excited, and I really like this bronzer because it has a bit of that warm tone to it, a warmer tone than what I'm used to. So it really just gives that sun kiss, like the sun just came down and was like, mwah, I'm gonna give you a kiss. For drugstore, I highly recommend that you go get one because it is beautiful. For highlighter today, we're gonna go in with the Maybelline. This is the 100 Molten Gold. So beautiful. And I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and just lightly hit these cheekbones. For blush today, we're gonna go in with the Milani Rose, and this is in the color Blossom Time Rose. And what I like about this is it's pretty much a dupe for the Benefit Cosmetics, I don't remember the name of it, but it's the one that has like the golden sun in the middle of it. So I really like this blush. I know a lot of people don't like blush with shimmer in it, but when it comes to the summertime and springtime and you get that golden hour, you go outside and then your face is just gleaming, and I really love how it looks. Okay, so to finish off the lower lash line, I'm gonna go with Ice Top, and I'm going to bring this down, and I'm not going to bring it all the way. I'm just gonna go about halfway because I kind of want to leave my eye open a little bit. And I'm gonna go back in with that Berry Ice, which was that pink shade, that very light skin tone pink shade. It kind of has like a pinky tone to it. And come out here and blend this out so it's not so harsh. Okay, so for inner corner highlight, excuse me, and for brow bone highlight, we're gonna go into Main Squeeze. And we'll place this right on the inner corner. And then I'm gonna drag this to meet the rest of the pink. Also for brow bone highlight. Okay, so for mascara, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Snapscara. Okay, so what I really love about this look is that if you don't want to put on lashes, you don't have to. Like, I think it looks absolutely perfect the way that it is. But knowing me, for my pictures, I'm going to go throw in some lashes. I'll be back. These were the Lily Lashes in Fox Mink limited edition that came with the Boxy Lux this month. And this is the finished look. The lipstick I'm not too crazy about. I really did it for the Instagram, which I'm probably just going to wipe this off because it looks like boo-boo. Okay, that's better. I believe that looks better. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I just wanted to do like something colorful but light and easy, something that everybody can wear. And with it being drugstore, it's really just a plus 10 in my book. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, you can subscribe before you leave. Also, hit that bell notification so you know every time that I upload. You can also follow me on all my social medias. Everything is linked down below in the description box. So you guys, other than that, y'all have a very blessed day, and I will see y'all very soon. Bye, y'all.